Now we will make the increase. For example, in my instruction, there will be some place that you will put the increase or decrease. So this is for increase. Increase means you would put two crochet into one stitch. Okay, and for basic tutorial, you will make 2 single crochet into a stitch. Now let's start. I will make the first one crochet into this stitch here. Okay, so first crochet. Now make the second crochet into the same stitch. Okay, so you will increase here. So the yarn would be a little bit farther than this because there are totally 2 crochet into one stitch. I will do that. Make that the same for the next stitch. First crochet, second crochet. Okay. In my tutorial, if I talk with you that I will put I will make increase and without not noting about it single crochet or double crochet, so you can just understand that it's single crochet. Or I will increase mean increased crochet would be has the abbreviation is the letter V. The letter V. One, two, one, two. One, two. Okay, you can see the length is a little bit longer than the first than the previous because the number of stitch is increased. Okay, now finished. Thank you.